series, recording songs, recording music. Ito na lang talaga ang kulang. So at least now, I can say, I've done everything. At least meron na ako. Theater na.
Paano kayo
Sila, yung Atlantis kasi, they always gives email kapag kasi kapag yung characters na bagay for you. Nag-audition. But palagi talaga, I always say no. Hindi offer na rin ng audition. Auto-audition, I mean, it's normal naman for any artist to be given audition. Yung mga ganun. Parang papakaya, I'm not ready. Until last year, na meron isang character na mag-audition na chicken out na naman. Maganda sana yung character. And then, when I was ready after a week, they got somebody for that character. I said, oh no, it's really not right for me. Until they sent me another Tito Rock of Ages. I said, I'm doing this. I'm doing audition. I called Tita Maria. I really want to do the audition. I said, and Tita Maria even went with me to the audition because I was so nervous. First, did you experience? No, kasi it's siguro medyo masyado mataas ang tingin ko sa theater. I've done several concerts, sing and dance. It's almost the same naman eh. Kasi ito rin yung gagawin ko, sing and dance act. Kaya lang yung parang level na siya, kasi ayoko magkamali. Or iba lang yun talaga yung being in this kind of business na iba yung tingin mo pag theater talaga. Parang taas. Parang, oh. So, finally I decided I love my audition and I got the role.
Do you watch plays talaga?
I do. I really enjoy watching. Kasi yun yung passion ko eh. To perform in the stage talaga. And you see reactions right away. So, at least ito, it's more of singing and dancing. And then my interaction with the people. And 80s music like that. Well, I was still young when I hear those songs, no? I was still a kid. Pero, from time to time, kasi hindi nawawala yung mga ganung songs eh. Diba? You go to a bar now, sometimes you request for 80s music and everyone's really dancing. So ito, yung rock songs, mga era ng Poison, yung Journey. Hindi mo nga ngayon Journey, ang dami nagre-remake, right? So, talagang, marami mag-enjoy different stages ng